In the book of Malachi, the people are upset that God hasn't responded to injustice that they see. And the prophet responds, speaking for God, saying, "Don't worry, I will come to you. I will be quick to testify against sorcerers, adulterers, perjurers, against those who defraud laborers of their wages, who oppress widows and orphans, and deprive immigrants of justice." I think it is clear what the scripture is saying about defrauding workers of their wages. Indeed, today is the National Day of Action Against Wage Theft. There are actions occurring in 50 cities around the nation. We are part of a national movement that is trying to stop and deter wage theft. Let me tell you about a few of the actions that are going on today. There's a justice bus in Houston, Texas that is driving around stopping at employers that haven't paid wages. There's a jazz funeral in New Orleans to put a death to wage theft in New Orleans. There are new mayoral proclamations and initiatives to address the crisis of wage theft in Grand Rapids and in Miami. Denver is announcing a new partnership between the community and the federal and state departments of labor to try and stomp out wage theft in the Denver area. There are lawsuits being filed against employers for both low-wage workers and middle-income workers. This is a crisis not just for low-wage workers, but also for middle-income workers. There are 28 writers that worked for a book publishing company in New York City. And their company closed down, and none of the 28 workers got any of their pay they were owed. So there was a lawsuit today filed on that issue. There's efforts around the nation to strengthen enforcement. New York State has a new state wage theft bill. Madison is meeting with its district attorney to get the district attorney to enforce things. And so what we are doing today is a part of an effort nationally to really strengthen enforcement, stop employers from stealing wages, and engaging the broader community in this moral issue. And so I commend you for your work here in D.C. I'm grateful for all that you're doing. And I know that if we work together, we can effectively stop wage theft.